Thank you, Joe. Welcome. Thank you, Joe. Welcome.
G'day everyone, my name's Uncle Jojo. I run a building company, and what I do is I take really old homes and I turn them energy efficient and sustainable. Do we all know what energy efficiency is? Yes. I can't hear you. Yes. Of course you do. You're way ahead of it. So, somebody tell me what energy is. What is energy? Go. Power. Good man. It's power that what? What does it do? It delivers something, doesn't it? And efficiency. Can anybody give me the definition of efficiency? It doesn't really fail. Anybody else?
You can use it more than once.
You can use it more than once.
It's faster.
It's faster. Anybody else?
Reusable.
Reusable. Well, so efficiency is the ability to utilize something. What kind of things can we be efficient with? Obviously, we can be efficient with energy, but we can be efficient with anyone? Saving food. Good answer. Saving food. Gentlemen just here? Materials. What type of materials? Energy, power. Yep. Anything else? Yeah. You can be efficient with your body. There's so many people that are efficient with their body. Ballerinas are efficient with their body. Soccer players are efficient with their body. That is a beautiful thing about efficiency. We can be efficient with our time. We can help others, and that helps efficiency. So it's really important that we look at efficiency in not just what we do for power, but also in what we do in helping out our community. We can all work together and we can be a lot more efficient. We can be efficient in passing on our knowledge. There's a million different ways that we can be efficient, but my understanding is, and a little fairy tells me, that we're working on efficiency in the homes. Is that right? Yes. What? Yes. Efficiency in the home. How good is it? Where can we be efficient at home? What uses the power? What is it in our homes that uses the power that we need to be efficient with? Electrical devices. Excellent. Our lights, our heating and our cooling. That is fantastic. Yes, sir? Ovens. Ovens are a massive one. And what used to be a gas oven is now an electric oven. And we're using so much more electricity. So tell me, where does the power come from?
A lot of our power comes from coal.
Coal. Natural gas. Alabama. Good man. What have you got for me? Sorry? Nuclear energy. And what is a dangerous energy? Nuclear energy. Why is nuclear energy dangerous? Radiation. The waste that it produces. Where do we put it? That is one big thing that we have to think about. We can produce as much energy as we want, but if there is a waste product, we have to be, what's the magic word for today? Efficient at getting rid of it. So, if we've got energy that's made up of coal, of natural gas, what else have we got? We've got wind, we've got solar, anything else that we can think of? Thermal energy is, yes, about thermal properties. So the sun in itself, heating up a home and cooling a home. And we're going to bring this back to the efficiency of that home. What is the best way to cool down a house? Opening the windows. So simple, isn't it? We can open up a front door and a back door and let the cross-air ventilation cool the whole house down. And is that efficient, everyone? Yes. What? Yes. Yes. You have to remember, I'm a carpenter. I can't hear you. I've spent too many days on tools and stuff. You have to yell at me. So we've got lots of efficiency that we can use in the house. We've got lots of products that we use in the house. What products do we use in the house that have stars? Can anybody name a few? Fridge. It's probably the most common, isn't it? Heaters. Dishwashers.
Washing machine.
Right, so some of them use more water, some of them use more electricity, some of them use more gas. And what it's all about is how efficient that appliance is in your home. Now, something that everyone uses at home these days is, and it starts with C-O-M. Anybody cut in? Yes, a computer. Now, how many people leave a computer on all day long? How often do you leave your computer on all day long? Every day. How much energy you reckon that's wasting?
A lot.
So much. Where are we getting the power from to power that computer? Sorry, what was that? Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are creating the energy. How do we turn fossil fuel into energy? What happens? Excellent. Yes, excellent. That's my dad joke. Excellent. That's how we boil our eggs. How do we become more efficient with our power? What do we do with the light when we leave the room? Shout it out.
Turn it off.
Yes, that's right. What do we do with the computer when we finish working with it?
Turn it off.
Turn it off. How easy is that? It's so important that we look at efficiency in not just a direct drive. It's not just about one thing creates energy efficiency. It's all of the little things that we do all the way around. Fantastic answer. Do you hear that? Just by shutting a curtain, we can actually stop the sun coming into the room. Does everybody understand that? The sun has got so much power that we can open up a window and heat up an entire house, or we can close it and we can try and shut it out. The house will still get warm. We know it'll still get warm. But by reducing the amount of that sun coming in, we can completely change the environment inside that house. And we can use the sun to light up our own room. How amazing is that? Completely efficient, completely clean, and you're inviting the environment from outside into your house. Do you know what that also creates? Healthy environments.